Hey there, cooking enthusiasts! Welcome back to Radical Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen appliances. Today, we have an exciting topic in store for you: the best toaster ovens. Whether you're a busy professional or a culinary enthusiast, a good toaster oven can be a game changer in the kitchen. Join us as we dive into our list of the top toaster ovens that will revolutionize your cooking experience. When it comes to toaster ovens, size and capacity are important factors to consider. You want a toaster oven that can accommodate your cooking needs while fitting seamlessly into your kitchen space. One standout toaster oven in terms of size and capacity is the Breville Smart Oven Pro. It features a spacious interior that can fit up to 6 slices of toast or a 13-inch pizza. With its compact design, it won't take up too much countertop space while still providing ample cooking space. Another excellent option in terms of size is the Cuisinart Toei 60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. It offers a generous capacity that can hold 6 slices of toast or air fry up to 3 pounds of food. With its versatile functionality and a large interior, it's perfect for families or those who love to entertain. Cooking functions are a crucial aspect to consider when choosing a toaster oven. You want a toaster oven that offers a variety of cooking options to suit your culinary preferences. The Panasonic Flash Express Toaster Oven is a standout in terms of cooking functions. It features 6 preset cooking modes, including toast, pizza, and reheat. It also utilizes infrared heating technology, which ensures fast and even cooking results. Another remarkable option is the Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven. It combines the functionality of a toaster oven with the versatility of an air fryer. It offers multiple cooking modes, including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate. With its wide range of cooking options, it allows you to experiment with different recipes and techniques. Temperature control is a crucial aspect when it comes to toaster ovens. You want a toaster oven that provides accurate and adjustable temperature settings to ensure perfect cooking results. The Oster Digital French Door Oven is an excellent choice in terms of temperature control. It features precise digital controls that allow you to set the desired temperature with ease. It also offers convection cooking for faster and more even cooking. Another notable option is the KitchenAid Digital Countertop Oven. It features a digital display with easy-to-use controls that allow you to adjust the temperature precisely. With its convection cooking feature, it ensures even heat distribution for consistent and delicious results. Let's not forget about the additional features that some toaster ovens offer. These features can enhance your cooking experience and make your life in the kitchen much more convenient. The Breville Smart Oven Air offers a range of additional features that set it apart. It includes a built-in air fryer, dehydrator, and slow cooker functions, expanding its versatility in the kitchen. It also features an intuitive LCD display and an interior light for easy monitoring. Another impressive option is the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven. It features a unique roll-top door design that provides easy access to your food while saving countertop space. It also includes a removable crumb tray for effortless cleaning and a built-in timer with an auto shut-off function for added safety. Last, but not least, the design and appearance of the toaster oven can play a significant role in your kitchen aesthetics. You want a toaster oven that not only performs well, but also looks great in your kitchen. The Smeg Retro Style Aesthetic Toaster Oven is a standout in terms of design. It features a sleek and stylish retro-inspired design that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. With its vibrant color options and stainless steel construction, it's as much a statement piece as it is a functional appliance. Another remarkable option in terms of design is the Breville Compact Smart Oven. It boasts a modern and minimalist design that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. With its brushed stainless steel finish and compact footprint, it's a great choice for those who prioritize both style and functionality. And there you have it, cooking enthusiasts. Our top picks for the best toaster ovens. Each of these toaster ovens excels in size, capacity, cooking functions, temperature control, additional features, and design. It's essential to consider your cooking needs and preferences when choosing a toaster oven that will suit your lifestyle. A well-chosen toaster oven can make a significant difference in your cooking routine, whether you're toasting bread, baking pizza, or roasting a chicken. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of toaster ovens. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the best toaster oven for your kitchen. As always, happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.